Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hootsuite and switch to LinkedIn native scheduling, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Hootsuite, begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the menu, select Account and Billing. Scroll down to find the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Once cancelled, log out of your Hootsuite account. Now, you can proceed to uninstall the Hootsuite app from your device. On a Windows computer, go to the Control panel. Select Programs and then uninstall a program. Find Hootsuite in the list and click Uninstall. If you're using a Mac, drag the Hootsuite app from the Applications folder to the trash. After uninstalling Hootsuite, open your web browser and go to LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account. In the top right corner, click on Home. Look for the Start a Post box. Click on it, and you'll find the option to schedule a post. Select the calendar icon to choose a time and date for your post. Craft your content and add any media you wish to include. After setting the schedule, click on Schedule. Your post is now scheduled directly on LinkedIn, without needing third-party tools. This method provides a more streamlined approach to managing your LinkedIn content. Feel confident that you can easily switch to LinkedIn's native scheduling for your future posts. You're now ready to engage your audience directly through LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.